Good morning. Well, I am out of my condo, and right now there's gonna clean off my truck. Nice. See the truck? Yeah, and I'm gonna probably use the four-wheel drive, and hopefully I don't have to shovel that big mess. Here we go. That's how tall the snow is. Yes, see that? I'm gonna say about 2 feet at least. All right. Well, there's the rest of the whole driveway. Okay, lots of things going on around here. All right. I should do this side. All right, I think I need to get up on the truck to do this, or it's gonna take me a while, because it is pretty deep. There's a action from the plow truck. All right. Well, I need both hands, so off I go. So it looks like the space is cleared off, and I am going to move my truck back. Our truck has moved away to the other spots. All right. So now I'm just gonna clean the back of the truck so that I don't have to deal with it turning into ice and not able to push it off. All right, so the truck is completely dug out. Alrighty, and the space is plowed away. All right, we'll do a final checkup. There we go. Very nice. Very nice indeed. All right. And the truck bed is nice and clean, as you can see. Oh, there's a little space behind there. All right, very nice. There we go. We are ready for the next snowstorm. Bye.